Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Quick little video as far as VRSF is running a 10% off the majority of their parts on here. Now this is a lot of stuff that you're going to use for your N54, N55, so it definitely relates to what's going on today. Of course, downpipe's a huge performance gain that you can have. The sound is astonishing as far as on stock mufflers and all that kind of stuff. If you need a downpipe fix, you got that. Any gaskets. Now they do offer all of the downpipes for the XI and of course your rear-wheel drive, since there's two different ones, and then of course for the Z4. All right, we're going to type in E90. This will pull up the majority of the stuff that we're going to talk about. Now some big ones that I always bring up all the time is having an updated charge pipe that's much better than the stocks. It's this metal versus plastic. Of course, those are on sale. All the couplers that you need. Also for the intercooler kits, so you have that. They have it with the race one and then their other one. Both great intercoolers. Highly recommend those as well as far as low IATs on your logs. Just moving on down, if you want some DCIs, of course they cover those. Moving on down the list here, another charge pipe, downpipe fix, stainless steel inlets, charge pipe C-clip, and then going down to wheel spacers, silicone inlets, and then you can also do the exhaust or the 3.5 for the N55. Great exhaust, by the way, they could check that out. Stock location inlets, if you want to keep the stock with where the filters are, currently how your N54 is today. Another great option that you can do. Well, guys, that does it for today. The sale ends March 31st. Go ahead and check that out today. Link is in the description box below. Head on over there to VRSF. Take advantage of those deals, and happy modding on your BMW. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day. DIY is coming this weekend for the valve cover. Take care.